chicas and chicos, my name is Cristina and today I'm trying for you! But what do you mean crazy, Cristina? Well, I've seen that if you mix petroleum gel, known as Vaseline, with flour, you can make fake skin. Okay, I don't know if this is true, but I'll try it. Okay, it's right here, and I can tell that it wasn't a real pleasant procedure. Okay, it should look like this. It's not very soft, so we can put it here in order to look like skin. Okay, I have to put it. Oh my god, it sticks on the hand, on the glove. Okay, and we'll do this. Then we'll cover it with makeup. Don't be concerned about the color right now. Now we're trying to make that cut here. I don't have fake blood, so I have to use my lipsticks. Okay, blend it in. Oh, I need a knife. How shall I? Mom! Okay, I take a knife. No, I can't do it. Okay, I'll try it this way. Oh my god. Okay, and we make it sharper here. Try to extend this sharpness. Yeah. Be careful because it sticks a little bit. Okay, it should look like this, kind of. Now I'm using now I'm using this powder here with color in order to fix it. I'll put purple inside and a little outside of the wound. Lay down your arms into the sky. It looks like this. I'll put some of that color, which is skin color. I'll just spread it here. Now I'm spreading it all around the wound and the fake skin. Now we will put some black in the wound. It looks pretty decent. Okay, now I'm putting some pink. Now we have to put some more pink, something like red on it to look like it's injured. Okay, that's it. Put it here where the injury is. Okay. Put a little lighter pink under this. Let's put here some more. It's like that right now. Okay. That's it, baby. That's it. Now we'll have to use some blood thing. I'll use my lipstick. Okay, now I'm using this lipstick and I will put that liquid all over it. Look at that. Put it here, 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 here. Okay, now it looks like this, and I'll put some brown here, 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 all over the place. Okay, it's like that right now. Alright, it should look like that. Wait, let's close the light. No. Let's see. Like that? No. Oh, that's good. Okay. Okay, it's like I'm turning into a zombie. Okay. Okay, now it looks like this. Come here. Ah, that burned. Okay, like that. Okay, guys, that was the video. Like and subscribe if you want me to continue. Now I have to visit the hospital. Adios.